Cam Tester 2, Camfil's mobile energy auditor with integrated fan, flow controller, and pressure transducer used to measure filter performance on all styles of HVAC air filters. The remote display measures and shows the set airflow rate in cubic feet per minute, the air filter's static pressure, and the energy consumption of the integrated fan in watts. Today's test is going to compare a Granger air handler 2-inch pre-filter, followed by a Granger air handler V-bed, up against a Camfil 2-inch 3030 pre-filter, followed by a Camfil Durafil ES2 V-bed. We will compare the combined resistance of both solutions. The air handler 2-inch pre-filter is rated as a MERV 8, however there is no MERV A rating on the filter. The air handler V-bed filter has no MERV rating on it at all, but it calls out an efficiency rating of 85%. This is confusing because the Grainger website labels this part number as a MERV 14, however 85% has no correlation at all to MERV 14. If a building requires a MERV 14 filter, MERV 14 should always be on the filter label. The first step is to install the air handler V-bed filter into the Cam Tester 2, followed by the 2-inch air handler pre-filter. This will measure the combined resistance of both filters in series. The filters mount into the front of the Cam Tester 2 like they would into any traditional style HVAC holding frame. Filtration media and design are important factors that determine how low a filter's static pressure is while still maintaining its rated filtering efficiency. Here you can see the remote display showing a combined filter resistance of 0.74 inches of water gauge at 2,000 cubic feet per minute. One observation that can be made on the air handler V-bed filter are the loose corners. These corners separate from the filter body very easily. If corners are not secured to the rest of the filter, these areas become obvious locations for filter bypass, especially when visible openings can be seen. Now we are going to test a Camfil 2-inch 3030 pre-filter with a MERV 8 8A performance rating, followed by a Camfil MERV 14 14A Durafil ES2 with the same 4V configuration as the air handler V-bed. When a filter has the same MERV rating as the MERV A rating, this is an indication that the filter is designed to hold its rated efficiency over its life. Many charged synthetic products on the market do not show a MERV A rating because many filters lose performance during use. If filtering efficiency is important to you, always look or ask for the MERV A rating. The combination of Camfil filters has a combined static pressure reading of 0.56 inches of water gauge at 2,000 cubic feet per minute. This combined static pressure is about 25% less than the air handler filter combination. Side by side you can see the remote displays. If we were to operate these filters for 1 year and assume the cost of energy is 10 cents per kilowatt hour, it will cost you almost $80 more per year to operate the air handler filters than the Camfil filters. Remember though, this also doesn't take into account that these filters will be loading with dirt over time, and not all filters load the same way. As we all know, energy costs money, and in most cases is around 80% of the total cost of operating an air filter. When initial filter price is the only consideration, lower quality air filters actually end up costing facilities even more money and energy. Even though we are testing new filters in this test, the Cam Tester 2 is also a great tool for measuring dirty filters to see the difference in how filters perform after being loaded with dirt. Contact your local Camfil representative to see how the Cam Tester 2 can help your facility save money. Thank you.